Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well at home, children. I am your Smita ma'am is here. Today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Social Studies Part 2 Geography Chapter 1. I hope you all be ready with your book and copy. Geography Chapter 1. Today we will discuss our solar system. All of you open at page number 87. Let's start the chapter. While looking at the star-studded sky on a cloudless night, most of you might have wondered how and when it came into existence. It was this curiosity that led the early man to observe the movement of celestial bodies for the first time. At that time, the stars could be seen only with the naked eyes. Later, following the invention of the telescope, it became possible for the scientists and researchers to explore the mysteries of the sky more easily and effectively. Now we have far more advanced tools in the form of computers and supercomputers which can collect great amounts of data about our universe in no time and with more precision and perfection than the earlier tools. Star-studded sky at night picture. Next we'll see the universe. Everything that exists in space is a part of the universe. In other words, the universe consists of the sun, the moon, the earth, stars, gas and dust and all forms of life. See children, our universe. According to a theory proposed by scientists Lee Matry and Gamow, the universe came into being almost 14 billion years ago following a gigantic explosion called the Big Bang. At the time of that great explosion, the entire universe was a hot, dense bubble. Gradually, during the course of millions of years, it cooled down and expanded to its present form. Children, turn the page. Now we are on page number 88. Next we will discuss galaxy. What is galaxy? Galaxies are vast clusters of stars, planets, gas, dust, etc., which are held together in space by gravity. There are billions of galaxies spread across the universe. While larger galaxies have trillions of stars, smaller ones consist of less than a billion stars. Galaxies have different size, shapes and brightness. According to shapes, there are three major types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical and irregular. Children, see, our earth belongs to the galaxy Milky Way, Akashganga, which is spiral shaped. It is larger and brighter than many other galaxies. Next we will see stars. The little twinkling dots that you see in the night sky are stars. These are giant balls of gas in space. They have their own light. See, stars. Did you know stars helped people to determine directions during their night before the invention of the magnetic compass? The North Star or Polaris indicates the north direction and always remains in the same position in the sky. It is also called the pole star. Stars take millions of years to form. They begin their lives in nebulas, which are clouds of gas and dust. Soon the nebula becomes a hot dance ball and the center heats up. This hot core becomes a star, giving out great amounts of heat and energy. You must have also noticed that stars are of different size and brightness. These are located at various distances from the earth. All the stars that you notice in the night sky belong to our galaxy, the Milky Way. See, the Milky Way galaxy. The distance in space is measured in light year. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. It is about 9.46 trillion kilometer. Next we will see constellation. What is constellation? Looking up in the sky at night, you can see some group of stars forming a shape such as that of an animal, a mythological character, or some other object. Such a group of stars with imaginary shapes is called constellation. Nakshatras. A constellation may have just a few stars or more than 100. Usually, a constellation is named after a mythological character, animals, or object that it resembles in shape and appearance. There are 88 constellations known so far. You can identify some constellations with the naked eye, like the Ursa Major and Minor, Orion, Scorpius, Canis, Sagittarius, etc. The constellation Ursa Major or Big Bear is referred to as Saptarshi, the seven seas in Indian astronomy. Next we will see solar system. What is solar system? The solar system consists of the sun, the earth and other planets which revolve around the sun is fixed paths called orbits and celestial bodies like asteroids, moons, dwarfs, planets, meteoroids, comets, etc. The sun is at the center of the solar system and its gravitational pull keeps all the planets and other bodies in their orbits within the solar system. See children, solar system. Next we will see the sun. We look at the sun rising every day, made up of intensely hot gases. It is the largest member of the solar system. It provides heat and light to all the planets in the solar system. Without the sun, life on the earth would not exist and the earth would be completely barren and frozen. Okay children, this first chapter up to the sun you read and underline the important things and write down in the geography copy, and rest part of this lesson we will discuss in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.